Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa lahat. Thank you for giving time na makilala si IMG through our Financial Literacy Campaign Program. Alam ko po, mahalaga po sa taong nag-share sa inyo sa video na to na maibahagi yung campaign namin. And we look forward na marami po kayong matutunan about IMG at saka of course magamit niyo personally in your financial goals. By the way, this is Miss Melody De Los Reyes, an associate financial planner and a licensed financial educator dito po sa IMG. Currently po, nag-a-assess po ako ng mga Pilipino local and abroad para po ma-guide po natin tungo sa kanilang mga goals in their financial. Currently, I'm a senior marketing director and formerly 12 years din akong empleyado at nangangarap ng financial stability, hindi malugmok sa utang, but malaking tulong si IMG na natutunan ko yung tamang pagbibuild ng financial. So I'm looking forward na through this video po, marami po kayong mai-apply din nyo sa sarili ninyo at sa pamilya ninyo. And I know marami po kayong realization after this orientation. So, napakahalaga no na makilala natin ano ba yung pinasukan natin o ano ba yung sinishare sa kakilala ninyo. And this is IMG. This is our company. It's International Marketing Group kung saan meron po kaming financial literacy campaign na 30 million Filipinos by 2030 na ma-educate namin, matulungan namin no na makaahon sa kahirapan, maka-build up ng savings, makawala sa utang, makakaroon ng tamang retirement. So this is our financial education movement and we are thankful kasi bahagi ka po ng aming mission. So IMG is one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services dito po sa Pilipinas. So na-establish po si IMG way back 1998 na right now meron ng more than 10 million Filipinos na natulungan na magiging financially educated worldwide. So, dito po sa IMG, kami po ay nag-a-assist ng mga taong gustong makatulong na of course, no, maiahahon sila sa kahirapan and one common traits natin lahat is we want to achieve financial freedom. Pero kailangan natin pag-aralan paano po ba yun gagawin and through financial education and building a proper financial foundation na ituturo po dito sa IMG, makakatulong po ito sa inyo. And the same time, IMG established partnership with the biggest companies in the financial industry. Napakaganda kasi kung gustong-gusto mo na hindi ka ma-scam, hindi mawala yung perang pinaghirapan mo, you are in the right platform, you are right in the right company, kumbaga. So, IMG is nasa 9F Kings Court Building 1, General Rosas Avenue, Makati City, yung ating main office. But every worldwide no na mga countries meron din tayong mga financial center na mag-a-assist sa'yo, especially kung isa kang OFW. So, ano bang meron sa IMG? Dito kasi sa IMG, tuturuan tayo that we our own financial educator. Kasi through this book, this entitled The Secret to Savings and Building Your Future, tuturuan tayo to build our future by taking control of our money. Kasi kailangan na kailangan natin mayroon tayong financial education na mag-guide sa atin. Ano ba yung i-structurize natin sa ating financial. And for me, no, ang malaking factors na meron kang alam dito. Kasi hindi naman tayo habang buhay na magtatrabaho, hindi naman tayo habang buhay mag-OFW. But one thing for sure, kailangan natin paghandaan yung mga bagay na in terms of our financial, malaking aspeto yung magiging output kumbaga. Because financial education is not just for the wealthy. It's for everyone, kumbaga. As quoted this book, ito yun din yung nagpababago ng mga milyon-milyong Pilipino no, na educate dito sa IMG. So, by reading that book, at ito din po ang tinuturo dito sa IMG, you need to build a solid financial foundation. Ano ba yung kailangan mong pag-ipunan? Ano ba yung kailangan mong paghandaan right now na still healthy ka pa, may trabaho ka, kaya mong mag-income, may business ka, or right now, struggling ka financially. So, para ka lang nag-build up ng bahay, you need to build it from the ground to up. Napaka mahalaga na tamang foundation ang ating bubuuhin sa ating financial, no? Kasi kapag hindi mo na correct yung pagbi-build up niyan, babalik at babalik pa rin ka sa ground level. So, unang-una mong pagtuon ng pansin is kailangan na nag-iipon ka para sa pamilya mo, para sa sarili mo, para sa mga anak mo, para sa asawa mo, to have a proper healthcare. Kasi napakamahal kung magkakasakit yung pamilya mo, gastusin din yan. The question is, meron ka na bang iniipon na proper healthcare? Kasi in the long run, hindi ka habang buhay magtatrabaho, magkakasakit ka, ano yung ipangbayad mo sa hospital. And one thing for sure, kapag na-hospitalize tayo, yung hihilingin, kung wala kang health card, down payment. So, napakahalaga itong healthcare na bigyan mo ng time na matutunan ito. Ano ba yung tamang healthcare na pag-iipunan ko na right now, na healthy ako, in the long run is magagamit ko pa rin siya. That's the most important thing na tinuturo dito sa IMG. Kasi ito yung pinakamahal na expenses na mai-encounter natin for our family and ourselves. Second one, if you are believer of life protection or life insurance, get it now. Meron ka dapang na assets na life insurance kasi yan ay isang instant money na maipamana mo sa pamilya mo. Hindi tayo sigurado, no, habang buhay ba tayong healthy or kailan tayo kukunin ni Lord, at least po sigurado po na may maipamana ka po sa pamilya mo. Ang third one is ang pagmamanage ng utang. Napakahalaga po na i-manage natin to correctly kasi ito ang nagiging anay ng ating finances. So dito po tuturuan tayo sa IMG, ano ba yung klaseng utang na dapat natin utangin, paano ba natin i-manage, and if nalugmok po tayo sa utang ngayon, paano po ba tayo makaka-recover. And number 4 is to build emergency fund. Hindi natin alam kailan magkaka-emergency, no? So, dito sa IMG, tuturuan tayo na maka-build up ng savings for emergency fund. Hindi yung may mga emergency tayo, ang pupuntahan natin is utang. So, napakahalaga na nabi-build up mo ito ng tama yung structure. And lastly, kapag ikaw ay nag-i-inquire paano mag-invest sa mutual funds, stock market, trading, or whatsoever investment na gusto mo, tuturuan ka dito sa IMG na hindi ka ma-scam. Tuturuan ka dito na ano ba yung dapat mong pag-investan? Saan ka ba dapat mag-invest? But kailangan nasa huli iyan. Kasi no, remember this, kapag itong financial foundation mo is nasa taas lang yung pinaka priority mo, babagsak pa rin yung finances mo. Why? Try to think about it. Kung meron kang mga investment right now, bahay, lupa, assets ng mga sasakyan, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or mga investment, kapag nagkakasakit ka, kukunin mo lang yan, di ba? Gagamitin mo yan. What if namatay ka? Namatay tayo, may mga investment tayo, iyan din yung gagamitin ng pamilya natin. What if nalugmok tayo sa utang? Kukunin pa rin natin yan, ipangbayad. And what if emergency situation arises? Ito pa rin yung kukunin natin. So, meaning, you're gonna get back to zero ulit. So, that is why this book, we're gonna help you to guide ano ba yung kailangan mong pagtuunan pansin, paano mo ba i-build up itong solid financial foundation. Maganda ba? Maganda ba yung tinuturo ko? So, I'm looking forward, no, na dito sa IMG is mabubuo mo ang solid financial foundation kung nakikinig ka ngayon. And of course, you need to pay yourself first. Paano ka ba makapag-ipon? Ito yung isa sa mga problema nating mga Pilipino, no? So, dapat we need to apply this abundance formula. Dito ko po yan natutunan sa IMG by Mr. Bo Sanchez, one of our ambassador dito sa IMG, na dapat daw, kapag may income ka, from your income, of course, wag kalimutan na, of course, no, mag-give back kay God. Siya yung nagbibigay sa atin ng blessings. Wag mo yung kakalimutan. And 10% for that, for tithes, 20% to savings. Unahin mo talaga ang mag-ipon. Kasi itong mga savings mo, ito din yung magsisave sa'yo in the future kapag wala ka ng income. Do you get that? What if ngayon kaya mo pang makapagtrabaho, mayroon ka pang business, mayroon ka pang mga passive income, but what if one day, hindi ka na makaka-generate nito, itong mga savings mo, ito yung magagamit mo. So, save now para later on you can enjoy And then, of course, no, bago ka mag-expenses. Kasi kapag nauuna yung expenses, nakakalimutan natin kahit tithes naman lang. Or nakakalimutan natin na kailangan nating mag-ipon. Nagiging pangharap na lang natin yung pag-iipon. So, I'm looking forward na ito yung gagamitin niyo na Formula 10-20-70 rule. Ito po ay napakagandang, startup 'no, this year na gagamitin mo na abundance formula yung pagbi-build up mo ng inyong finances. So, in IMG tuturuan tayo saan ba tayo dapat mag-ipon. IMG will gonna help us to know how do we make money work for us. Kasi dati nang kasi ang alam natin, 'di ba, magse-savings tayo sa bangko. Yun yung usually alam natin, 'di ba? But dito sa IMG tuturuan tayo ng Rule of 72, the power of compounding interest, na dividing the number 72 by the interest rate, you will get the number of years it will double. Kumbaga, for example, ikaw nakikinig ka sa akin ngayon. Kapag at the age of 29, meron kang 100,000 na iniipon sa bangko, tapos binibigyan ka niya ng 4% na interest per annum, imagine your money doubles every 18 years. Kasi using the rule of 72, 72 divided by 4, which is the interest rate, it takes 18 years bago mag-double up yung pera mo. So, meaning kung 29 ka ngayon, kung hindi ka 29, i-adjust mo yung age mo, every 18 years magdo-double up yan. So, at the age of 65, nagiging 400,000 yung savings mo in a bank. Ano bang ginagawa ng bangko sa pera mo? Hindi naman yan nilalagay lang sa hindi lang naman nila nilalagay yan parang nandyan lang sa area nila or like sa, cabinet nila. 'Di ba ginagawa nilang business nila, 'di ba? Pinautang nila sa ibang tao, which is may interest, 'di ba? Usually, what if yung pera mo is pinahiram sa ibang tao na papatungan ni, bank with 8%. So, every 9 years magdo-double up yung pera na nasa bank mo. Imagine at the age of 65 nagiging 1.6 million yung pera mo kapag pinahiram yan ni bangko sa ibang tao, pero yung sinauli niya is only 400,000. So, sino yung lugi? Ikaw, 'di ba? Kasi pera mo yan, eh. Ikaw sana yung nag-e-earn ng 1.6. What if may iba pang alam si bangko niyan, which is 12% like housing loan, um, car loan, at iba pa, credit card. So, pwede din, di ba? So, imagine kung 12% interest rate yan, every 6 years na maghihintay si bank na mag-double up yung pera. So, at the age of 65 mo, 6.4 million yung pera sa bangko. Pero, of course, yung income goes to them, yung 400,000 lang yung isa sa uli nila sa'yo, 'di ba? Imagine, nakikita mo na ba yun na hindi ka nagiging, ano ba, hindi advantage sa'yo yung pera mo na supposed to be na gusto mo, you let it, work for you, na nag-e-interest ng malaki na magbibigay sa'yo ng income in the future. So, dito sa IMG is tuturuan ka namin about mutual funds. Itong mutual funds or stock funds, equity funds, you pull money from different investors, which is yung mga hinuhulog natin dyan, iniipon natin dyan, is naka-invest with the blue chips companies listed on the Philippine Stock Exchange or PSA. Imagine, yung mga sinisavings mo dyan is naka-invest na daratso sa top 10 Philippine Stocks Exchange ng mga companies. So meaning, hindi ka na mamimili pa saan ka maghuhulog, saan ka mag-invest. Automatic na siya. So, yung partner natin would be SM, Ayala Land, BPI, Jollibee, BDO, Metro Pacific. Itong mga company nito, alam na alam mo na matagal na sila sa industry. And of course, napakahalaga na naka-diversify yung perang ini-invest mo. Hindi yung nasa isang basket lang. Like for example, nag-invest ka lang kay ABS-CBN, hindi ka nag-invest kay GMA, sa other network, sa other na mga company. So, nag-foreclose si ABS-CBN. So, nadala yung investment mo. Unlike mutual funds, automatic siya with the top 10 companies. Ang advantage, we are under Ramper Financial. So, prestigious ng Ramper Financial in terms of mutual funds. Meron na silang sariling fund manager na of course, no, kung nagtatrabaho ka ngayon sa abroad, may trabaho ka, busy ka, wala kang time mag-monitoring, ang gagawin mo lang is nagsisave ka lang dyan at yung sinisavings mo is nagge-generate na yan ng income pabalik sa'yo. Imagine magkano ba yung kaya mong pag-ipunan. Napakaganda sa mutual funds is walang lock-in years, walang lock-in amount. So, any amount that will kaya mo pag-ipunan as low as 20 pesos na dagdag savings. So, ipon ka for how many years na gusto mo at anong gusto mong income projection para sa mutual funds mo. You can have it as an educational plan para sa anak mo, or educational savings, or retirement kung gusto mo, or travel fund. Depende kung ilang years mo siyang i-allocate. Ang kagandahan kasi once you are an IMG member, take note na, basta IMG member ka, automatic ka na magkakaroon ng sarili mong mutual funds account. So, meron ka ng portfolio, meron ka ng statement of account, monitor mo na din yung ipon at investment mo. At the same time, daratso ka na sa top 10 companies na ka-invest. So, imagine how amazing it is being an IMG member. Kasi po, IMG bypass the middleman. Ang kagandahan kasi ni IMG, kapag isang IMG member ka, you have the direct access to the financial companies. Gusto mong mag-invest sa mutual funds, sa stock market, be an IMG member. Kasi diretso ka na pong maka-access nito. And at the same time, you can enjoy the discounts from the financial products you buy. Kasi nga po, hindi ka po magkakaroon ng ahente, ng broker, ng agent, diretso ka na po sa gusto mong i-avail. Like for example, gusto mong mag-avail ng health card, ng life insurance, ng mga non-life insurance, real estate, investment. So meaning po, walang dagdag na mga fees yung pag-a-avail mo sa mga ito. And you become your own money manager. Dapat po vigilant po tayo sa pera natin kasi napakahalaga na ikaw mismo yung nagmo-monitor ng pera mo. And what are the benefits of IMG? Ito na yun, napakaswerte mo kasi nakilala mo si IMG. Kasi kapag IMG member ka, unlimited po yung mga financial trainings, workshop, and educational program na mas mapataas yung kaalaman mo sa financial. And one thing for sure, you can be an investor automatically with the top 10 companies through mutual fund. Ito yung pinakamaganda. Nag-inquire ka ngayon paano mag-start with mutual fund, paano ba maka-invest sa stock market. So be an IMG member kasi automatic na po kapag IMG member ka, yung 1,000 pesos mo from your membership fees is opening account mo po sa yung Soldibo Fund. Automatic ka na na-investor with Ayala, SM, BDO, Jollibee. So, saan ka pa, di ba? Napaka-hassle-free. At the same time, you have your e-wallet dito sa IMG. Exclusive lang po yan sa atin, no? Yung Nura Cash. Na anytime, pwede mo pong i-withdraw yung mga savings and investment mo kung gagamitin mo siya. So, if gusto kang mag-avail ng mga products and of course, no, mga financial products ng IMG and other partners company, dito pwede ka din mag-transact. And automatic po kapag IMG member tayo, kapag nasa local lang tayo or Pilipinas, meron po tayong libre na personal accident insurance. Imagine being an IMG member, insured ka na with 100,000 from Manila Bankers. At if isa kang OFW, pwede ka po mag-member as international code para magiging 600,000 po yung coverage mo dyan. So, imagine being an IMG member, insured ka na, may ipon ka pa. At the same time, meron tayong 50,000 Fidelity Life Insurance. Ito po ay cash assistance ng mga members just in case if we passed away. Kasi po, no, malaki din yung gastusin ng pamilya natin kapag we passed away. So, kailangan natin din na paghandaan yan. And automatically, if you're an IMG member, meron na po kayong access with Kaiser Medical Center. Kaagapay mo po sa kalusugan. Napakahalaga po na health is wealth, and that is why in partnership with Kaiser Medical Center, exclusive po natin yan, no, ng mga IMG member, we do have free unlimited checkup and consultation and 20% discount for our family. May sarili na po tayong e-health card na i-present lang natin para libre po yung consultation and checkup natin. And you can avail Kaiser Healthcare Long-Term Care or Kaiser Card na pwede mo pong pag-impunan ngayon para in the future, Hindi ka na magkakaproblema kung nagkakasakit ka, kailangan kang i-confine sa hospital, in a private hospital, you can use Kaiser International because this is the first name in healthcare. So, avail this one, start this savings program kasi napakahalaga nito na meron ka talagang healthcare savings. At the same time, you can access the non-life insurance here in IMG kasi discounted yung gusto kang i-insure yung sasakyan mo, yung bahay mo. So, napakahalaga kasi all-in-one na yan makikita sa both assurance. And if you want to preserve your assets, no, para hindi magka-problema in the future yung mga pamana mo sa family mo, you can avail the APS IMAX. And what if may mga calamity at emergency situation tayo as a member? So we can avail the free 50,000 calamity assistance. And automatic din, no, we do have vision care. So napaka-swerte natin kapag IMG member tayo kasi libre po yung check-up sa mata and we have our free frames, eye frame. Napakamahal yan kapag magpapagawa pa tayo, but dito sa IMG libre lang 'yan. So, yung babayaran mo na lang is yung lens. So, imagine how amazing the benefits of IMG. And of course, kapag may mga legal na gusto kang i-confine with a lawyer, you can have the legal assistance program dito sa IMG kasi libre lang po 'to, 'no. Puwede kang magpa-set ng appointment, 2 session, puwede kahit nasa abroad ka, mag-online ka lang, Zoom appointment, you can do it kung may mga kailangan kang i-confine to the lawyer. So at least you can talk to the lawyer of IMG for free. And free memorial services, that is from Memorial Services of Everest, kapag may mga nag-pass away po for our family, magastos din yan. So at least dyan, makaka-discount po tayo. So if you want to have a business and financial industry, you can avail the entrepreneurship program of IMG, which is mayroon tayong mga free online marketing tools na magagamit natin. At if gusto mong mag-donate sa mga foundation, you can do it here in IMG also. And auto program, kung gusto ka or yung kapatid mo, mga kakilala mo, wanted to purchase a car, no? Brand new or in a financing, both cash or financing, you can enjoy the auto program of IMG kasi 80,000 to 100,000 up yung pwedeng ma-discount natin sa unit. Kasi, of course, IMG. And in terms of real estate, because we are partner with SMDC, Ayala Land, Vesta Land, and DMCI Homes, imagine your real estate property is discounted. So if you want to avail that, be an IMG member right now. At the same time, meron po kaming entrepreneurship program dito sa IMG. If you want to have a financial industry, you want to have a business, so isang OFW ka ngayon na nangangarap na may negosyo, so you can be in the financial industry of IMG. You can be a financial educator, you can help other families, you can achieve your income you want, and of course, no, you can enjoy the travel with the world rewind. So kung sino man sa atin yung gustong-gustong mag-travel pero dapat libre. So be in IMG kasi ako mismo, no, personally, hindi ko po na-enjoy yung travel, no, na 12 years akong empleyado. But here in IMG, in just my 2 years here in IMG, I enjoy the travel the world reward ni IMG. We do have the world class recognition kasi po international tayo. We cater 67 countries. That is why, no, napakaganda ng business opportunity ni IMG. And we do have free HMO coverage for our, of course, members dito sa IMG doing IMG business. So you can be part-time or full-time. Wala po tayong kuta, hindi po tayo ahinti, no? So wala pong pressure. Nakaganda dito is we do have the permanent position. You can be a license, you can earn extra income, you can enjoy the incentives and bonuses in doing the entrepreneurship program ni IMG. So, if gustong-gusto mo ito is start it now. Pwede kang mag-member at i-try mong i-ask yung taong nag-share sa'yo nito paano ba siya gawin. So, looking forward na maging bahagi ka ng community ni IMG. And we are partner with Palawan Pawn Shop, which is discounted po tayo sa ating mga hulog for our savings and investment dito po sa IMG. And isa sa napakahalaga dito sa IMG is it gave us the privilege to have Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder, which is, di ba kanina tinuturuan kita na magbi-build up ka ng solid financial foundation, and this is the right way to build it up na meron kang Kaiser. Kasi tatlong ifs ang kailangan mong paghandaan. What if we die too soon? What if we get sick? What if we leave too long? Ang kagandahan kasi ni IMG, we link you to Kaiser, which is our healthcare provider, na meron na kang investment that generate income, that you let money working for you for your, of course, no, for your long-term care and retirement years. Meron ka ding insurance within 20 years of coverage, at the same time, healthcare. Kasi yung hospital, imagine, yung kukunin talaga nila is down payment or health card. So, napakahalaga na meron kang Kaiser. Ang kagandahan kasi, you can enjoy Kaiser for 7 years savings lang, and you can have healthcare, life insurance, and investment. So, if you are 10 years old to 40, you can enjoy all the Kaiser plan. At the same time, 41 to 50 and 51 to 60. So, recommended na magbi-build up kayo ng healthcare kasi we don't know what's ahead. Hindi po talaga kakatok yung sakit na, uy, tomorrow magkakasakit ka. So we don't know what's ahead. Better to have Kaiser. For example, kaya mong pag-ipunan yung 5,800 to 882 or 200 pesos a day. Kaya mo pong disiplinahin yung sarili mo within the 7 years. Alam mo ba, nakaganda nito is meron ka ng pangbayad sa hospital worth 60,000 every year. What if, Miss Mel, wala po akong sakit, hindi ako nagkakasakit during sa pag-save ko ng Kaiser. Ang kagandahan is meron po siyang returns na 1.1 in your 28th year. At insured ka po within 20 years kasi meron itong life insurance at saka accident insurance. Like for example, you have your K100, meron tayong 450,000 na life insurance and 900,000 as accident insurance. Imagine, nagsisave ka lang ngayon, no? Pero you enjoy the benefits of Kaiser. Sino ba sa inyo yung gustong merong na iniipon na 1.1 right after for how many years na nagsi-savings ka lang ng 7 years, 'di ba? Napakaganda niyan. And ang kagandahan kasi if you have Kaiser, 7 years lang siya. For example, age 22 ka ngayon, at the age of 29 tapos ka na sa pag-iipon. Imagine that. That's the savings period. So, and the 8th year to 20th year, ang kagandahan niyan, waiting period ka na lang. Pero during the savings period mo, meron ka ng annual physical examination, dental, mawi-waive yung plan mo just in case we pass away, or na-disable, you can pass it to your generation, sa anak mo, sa asawa mo, sa pamilya mo. And if magkakasakit ka, pwede mo siyang magamit as pangbayad sa hospital. And of course, no, meron din siyang insurance coverage na magbibigay protection sa family mo. And if you get older, at least po may pang-retirement ka na, di ba? So, 8th year to 20th year is the accumulation period. Wala ka pong gagawin dyan. 7 years ka lang magsi-saving. So imagine, the accumulation period is 8 to 20th year. Ang kagandahan niyan, it give you 1.1 million kapag kumuha ka ng K100. So take note, kapag isa kang OFW, you get Kaiser. Kasi we don't know what's ahead. Hindi ka habang buhay magtatrabaho dyan abroad. So, try to have this one as a savings program. Kasi magbibigay ito sa iyo ng retirement plan. So, at least meron ka ng 1.1 million na, of course, no, reward sa sarili mo. So, napakamahalaga niyan is, of course, napakaganda ng 3-in-1 value ni Kaiser. And at the same time, pwede mo pa din yan, meron kang extended period para mas malaki yung ma-accumulate ng savings mo. So, how to start? Be part of the community of savers. It is a lifetime membership. If you are in the Philippines, it's 6,000, which is PH code. Kapag international ka naman or nasa abroad, you can avail this with 9,000 plus, depende po kung saan ka na country. Avail these amazing benefits of IMG. Minsan ka lang magre-reward sa sarili mo. Start savings in your mutual funds. Be part of the IMG business. Help more Filipinos, local and abroad. Kasi po, napakahalaga na we are financially stable. And of course, napakaganda na marami po tayong taong natutulungan. Start your savings now. Meron lang po tayong ipa-fill up na details, application. Pwede mong balikan yung nag-invite sa'yo or nag-send sa video na to para ma-guide ka niya. And you can, of course, no, transact your payments through the accredited banks ng IMG, ha? BDO, Metrobank. So we have access to those banks, or kung gusto mo sa Palawan. So, start now kasi hindi naman tayo luging-lugi dito, no? Napakamalaking advantage kasi kung PH code ka, more than 300,000 yung benefits na ibibigay ni IMG. And if you are in abroad, more than 100,000 to 1,000,000 na coverage. So, saan ka pa? And at the same time, kapag IMG member ka, meron ka ng IMG portal. Even nasa abroad ka or saan ka mang sulok sa mundo, you can access your IMG. Yung mga benefits mo, yung savings mo. So, napakahalaga na transparently mo siya nakikita. May sarili kang user account, may sarili kang password. You can, of course, no, check it online in your phone. So, napakahalaga kasi you are monitoring your own, of course, investment and savings. So, step one, anong gagawin mo? Join IMG. It's either Philippine code or international code para magiging accredited ka na, may mga trainees ka na, and you can access to the benefits. Step two, own a Kaiser Savings Program. It's just a 7-year savings, 3-in-1 na, napakahalaga niyan. Meron kang life protection, meron kang insurance, meron kang healthcare. So, hindi yan lugi, napakamagandang opportunity yan. And the same time, meron kang healthcare. So, you can share it to your loved ones. Our financial literacy campaign, tulungan po natin yung kapwa Pilipino natin na ma-educate ng IMG kasi um, wala pong tao na hindi nangangarap na magiging financially free. And of course, step 4, kung gusto mong kumita, you can try the entrepreneurship program kung gusto mo, and you can be a license. So, I hope you can start now, you can secure your future kasi of course 'no, marami ka ng excuses, last year ka pa 'di ba? So you will always have excuses not to save or invest, but one thing for sure, yung mga excuses mo is mag-a-add-on ka ng edad ngayon. So, 'di ba, napakahalaga na meron kang ipon. And if you have a family, may mga anak ka na, so your child will gonna grow and enter college, and you need money for your tuition, for their tuition, para sa education nila. So, hindi po nagpababa yung education mo, pataas-pataas yung tuition. So, save now and you will eventually retire. Hindi ka talaga habang buhay magtatrabaho at hindi ka din magiging habang buhay OFW. You can stop making active income. So right now, create a passive income na magagamit mo in the future. Hindi yung retirement natin, yung pangbayad na lang sa hospital, pambayad sa utang, hindi natin na-enjoy. So I hope malaking bagay po si IMG para sa iyo at marami kang natutunan from this video, from this orientation, and looking forward na maging bahagi ka ng aming community. So this is my personal contact details just in case no walang nag-a-access sa'yo. You can message me. Of course, you can scan. This is my account, business account, and the Facebook and Messenger. And you can contact me in my WhatsApp, or you can email me for further application. I'm looking forward na matutunan mo na, of course, i-build up ang solid financial foundation. This is Melody De Los Reyes, your financial educator, your visionary mom dito sa IMG. Thank you and God bless! Pwede ka nang bumalik sa next share ng video na 'to para pag-usapan ninyo how to start, or kung wala pa or walang nag-ano sa'yo, nagga-guide, so you can contact me para ma-assist po kita. Thank you!